Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to this new video right here. Today I'm gonna make raw chicken ceviche, and meanwhile I will update you on my Leanmaxxing journey, why I quitted it and what I will do now, and I also will talk about the experience in school, because I'm not done with school, with the second class. And I will also talk about that because it was pretty stressful, but it was also pretty interesting, I would say. And yeah, raw chicken ceviche. I must say though, I eat pretty rarely chicken, but I must eat it more often, because it's better than beef because it has way less adrenaline, and beef has it, so it will make you stressed. And also like I have how's it called, stress rings on my eye, so that means that I have excess hormones, and I shouldn't eat beef that often and prioritize white meat, so I must eat more often. And it's the first time I'm gonna eat raw chicken ceviche. I never tried that. I just like ate chicken like that, I made some TikToks about it, and you can find it on my YouTube. But yeah, I have like a bowl right here. Now I'm chop that bitch up. It's a little shit, it's not like a wooden cutting board or something, but it's alright guys, it's not that deep. But yeah, so why did I quit Leanmaxxing? It's simple. So the first 2 months of Leanmaxxing, I made a video about it. It was in November when I started going to school. The first 2 months were pretty good, I lost weight. I cheated sometimes, but it was not like, I did not cheat that often, It was not that bad. I mean, of course it's bad, but it's not that bad. It was not that often, But in January it was pretty fucking bad, I cheated so often. I eat stuff that I shouldn't eat, like not even carbs itself, but like bullshit, fucking Goislop. And of course that's really bad. So I did not make any progress in that time, which is fucking, it's fucking bullshit, but it's just how it is, unfortunately. And yeah, so what can I say? I'm no longer Leanmaxxing right now, and it's not because like I cheated so often and I said to myself, well, yeah, I will not do Leanmaxxing anymore because I will always cheat or something. No, I would not say that. It's because I want to maximize my development again. And the thing is, that's the problem with me. I want to do so much things, but I can't do it at the certain time, at the same time, it's not possible, because when you look at it, what is Leanmaxxing? When you look at it, Leanmaxxing is always a deficit, because when you are satiated, you are in a maintenance, and so you are always hungry. And well, yeah, and you can't really develop, because body needs excess nutrition to develop. You can't just fucking starve max, it's not possible. Even if you get the body nutrients, it needs excess nutrition, and it's just not possible with fucking Leanmaxxing, But at the same time, I want to be lean, of course, it's not just that I quit it for error. I want to be lean, it's just, the problem is, all of these things, they need time. When you want to develop, like in terms of bones, from what I've read, is you need minimum of 6 months to see bone changes. It takes some time. And the problem is, I don't know, I don't fucking know how long I will do this like X nutrition and stuff, like to develop. Like back then I called it how did I call it? I called it fucking bone mass maxing or something, bone mass protocol. The problem is just, it needs time, and in summer, of course, like I want to be lean, it's just like I don't want to have excess fat. I mean, of course, having fat is healthy today because it will protect you from the toxins around you. But it's not aesthetic, you know? It's not aesthetic, and it's also really important for me. I think the best thing would probably be fat cycling. That means that you are going to get fat, store the toxins, and then lose the weight, and so on, so on. But first of all, I just want to be lean, you know? It's just like, it's shit. And that's the problem with it, you know? It's just like, I can't do it at the same time. And it's fucking me up because, like, fucking, I'm going to be 18 in 2 months, bro. It's just so fucking insane. 18 in 2 months, it's just, it's fucking crazy. And I'm still not at my goal in terms of aesthetics. It's fucking me up. It's so shit, man. It's so fucking shit. It now looks like this, and now I'm chop it up. I'll just do it like this. Oh my fucking god, bro. They fucking fell off, bro. It fucking fell off. Meanwhile, I chopped it. But you can still eat it, of course. Tastes really good. I like chicken. It's like, I love the consistency, and I love it. And now we're gonna add a lemon to it. Just like this, you know. Squeeze it over this. This looks so fucking good, man. This looks so fucking good. Oh, and I will do this. Gonna remove the seeds. Don't want that in my food. And last but not least, we're gonna add some thyme to it. It's not that deep, guys. Just a little bit, you know. Okay, it's a little bit much, I think. But it's just for the flavor. Just spread this everywhere. And yeah, this looks pretty fucking good. This is how it looks now, guys. And yeah, Mahlzeit. That's really good. It's really fucking good, wow. It tastes so hydrating, so fresh, you know. This is so good, guys. You need to try this. I should chop it a little bit smaller, but it tastes so fucking good, guys. It's really good. I think also one of the reasons why I cheated so often in the time is, of course, that I'm in school, you know. In school, everyone, like, what the fuck, bro? These people, like my cheat meals, they eat this fucking every day. They eat so much bullshit, bro. It's just insane for me. What these people eat on a regular basis, like, it's just normal to them. Like what I ate, like my frequent cheat meal was kebab. Only with meat though. But of course it's not good. Either way, you know, it's still processed and cooked. But you know what, these eat like, they ate like so much processed stuff every day, and it's just crazy to me. And of course that's also really hard because, you know, when you're surrounded by these people. But yeah, it was pretty bad. And also in January I lowered my fat intake because, you know, you need low fat to lose weight. because of course when you eat high fat, then your body will not lose their own fat because it has so much externally, you know what I mean? And when you give it low fat, it needs to burn the fat from yourself. And yeah, I lowered my fat intake, but the thing is, when you lower it too much, you won't be really satiated anymore, and you will get like and you will just want to eat more. And the next time when I want to lean max, I will just do Archie's Wonder Plan, his protocol. His protocol was like eat an egg every hour, like every day, and I think also only lean meat without dairy and stuff. I will try that. Sounds pretty good. But now I'm trying to focus on getting more development. I have no idea how long I will do it. And in a few months, you know, I have some stuff planned. I will go to Germany, meet up with some friends. And, you know, I want to be lean. I don't want to be a chubby, ugly ass, you know, ugly ass nigga. That's why, I don't know when I will lean max again. I don't fucking know. It's just a problem with me that I want to do the things like all at once, but it doesn't work, of course, so not sure when I will do it. And I'm also sick right now, and I think it's a detox from my body, from all the shit I ate, because on the last day of school I got sick. I think it's that, and I also realized some stuff, because in school, you know, even though it was extremely fucking stressful, and all this bullshit, like I didn't even had good food, but I had social connections, you know, with the people from my class, I kind of liked them, you know, like there are a few guys who I really liked, and even though, you know, they're not primer or like any of these niches I am, you know, they're still kind of relatable, and they're not bad, you know. It was fun to socialize again, because my life is I'm pretty lonely, you know. Like, if it wasn't for the internet, I would have I wouldn't have no one where I can speak about any of these topics, like not even like any of this, you know. So it was kind of refreshing, and you know, social connections are really fucking important. Like, you know, I think most primers there are in the kind of in the same situation that I am kind of, at least. Like most of them, you know, they eat this stuff alone and all this stuff, but social interactions are really important, you know, social connections, having friends. It's really important, like it's really fucking important, and I don't even know what I should say about this, because I'm in the same situation as you, but I just know that being like lonely for all this time, it really fucks you up mentally, and it's just not good, you know. It's horrible. And I think also one of the reasons why I crashed out so much, like I just craved carbs, you know, because it was constant stress, and carbs are a beneficial tool, and of course, like, water doesn't hydrate you really well, except if it's like spring water, but the best thing for hydration is just raw milk. And you know, it's when you just like be hydrated every time, and low carbs in such a stressful environment, it's really bad. Man, it feels like so good, because like right now we have like fucking 10:42, and I'm just here eating the stuff in the woods, you know, hearing the birds next to me, like it's like in the way where people go, but I don't fucking care, you know. It's so fucking chill, and normally I would be in work now, and oh my god, bro, I hate work so much, bro. But instead I'm just in the woods and eating this. It's so good, man. Perfect. Since the new year I was pretty fucking like in a pretty bad mental state, like really bad. Also like in terms of mental health, you know, it's just like it basically was depression. because like, you know, I just like thought about my life and stuff, and that I'm fucking 18 soon. But like at Friday when I finished school, I drank my first fresh raw milk again in like 3 months. I ate high fat again on Friday, like 16 eggs or something, and I was feeling so fucking good till now. And like, yeah, Arch and Steph talked about this, that high fat will heal your depression, and I didn't even thought about this. I was pretty fucking sick at like Sunday, Saturday, Friday. Like I just went to sleep when I got home, and then like kind of wake up, and I was really like feeling nauseous, dizzy, and really bad mood and stuff. But I was still kind of happier, you know. It's just like, it's like an enlightenment, like a little enlightenment. Really strange, like, because now I'm much happier, like way happier, and it's like not even a week ago. I think, not sure why, but it's definitely very interesting. I think this year will be pretty interesting because, you know, when I look at back then, now it's the exact same time. A year ago, I was in the first class of school, of apprentice school, and it's just so crazy because it changed my life basically. Because right now I was like kind of animal based, but I was getting into prime. Right, I ate more raw meat. I watched Godis, and I also got more black pilled. Because I remember back then, you know, before school, I hated the black pill, bro. Like, I always skipped the edits and stuff, and it's probably better because I knew back then that it would fuck me up mentally, and it definitely did. But it's kind of crazy, and in that time I got more into it and stuff, and it's just crazy because at April it's my 1 year anniversary of eating raw meat, and it definitely has benefited my life very much. So raw meat is the way, guys. It was really fucking good. You need to try this. You definitely need to try this. It's so fucking good. But yeah, guys, that's all I really have to say, you know. I will now focus on development. I don't know how long I will do it. Probably not. I really fucking don't know it. I don't know how long I will do it. Probably not that long because, you know, as I said, in fucking a few months I will meet up with some people, and I don't want to be like I don't want to look bad, okay? So I don't know when I will do it, but yeah, definitely as of currently trying to get more development, detox myself from the school with high fat, and yeah, I try to make more videos. I have some videos planned, but as you know, it's kind of difficult. But I have more time now than before, so I would definitely try to make more videos. And yeah, definitely try the chicken ceviche. And yeah, thanks for watching.